Hello and welcome to UDIT channel. This is Arki. Today I present you one of the poetry named Testimony, which is a testimony of my friend who have been following my work. So please remember this is his testimony, not mine. And I'm start the poetry now. My testimony. I was at my lowest in life when you found me. All I heard was a voice saying to trust you. At that time, I didn't know what to do or which way to go, but that voice kept on convicting me that I need to trust you. Now, no matter where I'm at life, I will trust you. At that moment, I was angry, I was depressed, I was drowning in my thought and my wickedness. But you saved me and gave me life. You told me I was worthy of the cross and the price you paid. So, no matter where I'm at in life, I will always trust you. On my own strength and understanding I relied. I was trying to fight my own battle. Each time I tried, I knew was failing. But you picked me up and pushed me on and made me realize that battle's not mine, it's yours. I look around, I ask why me? That heavy weight on my chest got the best of me. But little did I know you were there beside me, that you were trying to make me see it is not just me, that what he did on the cross was greater than the worst of it. Now all I have is you. To live for you is all I know, to put my faith, my trust on you. Thank you. Thank you, and may God bless you all.